So today I'll be unboxing the Ivan LED table lamp series, and when you open it up, the first thing that you see is the manual on how to set it up. So when we unbox it, we have two of the glass container lid. This is the glass lid for the lamp. So we have two of that. And I like this is what the color is an amber color with this plating. I love that. And then of course you do have the base of the lamp, and it does have a switch right here. There's also some components in here, which is of course you get the bulb provided to you, and this is a bulb with 110 voltage bulb, 5 watt. So to construct the lamp, what you're going to do is you're going to remove the lid fastener. Once you've removed this, you want to take the glass light shade and put that on there, and then put the ring fastener to fix it. Careful so that you don't break the glass. So here's what it looks like when you're putting it in there. Right there. So it might be better for you when you're fastening it to do it while the thing is on the table. So now it is tight. It fits really nicely on it. Now you can then add in your LED light bulb into the lamp socket. So we're gonna add that light bulb into the light socket. Now we've plugged it in, and I'm gonna turn on the switch. So this is what it looks like when I turn off my lights. This is how it's gonna look like at night. So you see it brightens everything up at night. So this is how the two lamps look. As you can see, this has a USB port, so I can take it and I can connect it to my phone, and you can see it works. So this lamp also has dimmable light, so you can see this is what it looks like when you turn it off, and then when you turn it on, you have the light switch. So you can always dim the light using this knob to dim it. So that is really good. Absolutely love this.